Okay, look at this. This small Facebook page, it's a newish page. It has a reach of 24,000 in last 28 days. But look at this number. That's an increase of 215%. So how do you do this? In this video, I'm going to talk about how do you grow your Facebook page, especially if it's a small page or a new page, and no need to run Facebook ads. Yes, all of this is organic. You don't have to run Facebook ads. Before we jump into this video, make sure you like and share this so more people can see this. All right, so let's jump right into this. I'm going to show you 3 different tactics, very simple, that you can use to grow your brand new or small Facebook pages. So here's the page. You can see it's a smaller page. So tactic number 1, if you are not using this button right here on your Facebook page, you're missing out. In 2023 and probably in coming years too, start making reels on your Facebook page. So make a use of this button. If you're still posting videos, that's great, that's fine, going live is fine, but Facebook actually has said in some of their earning calls, they are putting a lot of their focus is on reels content. Why? Because they want to compete with TikTok. Yes. So if you look at this on this page, if I go to Reels tab, you'll notice we've been posting last 28 days. We've been posting a lot of different reels. That's actually the main piece of content on this Facebook page. And also let me go back here on the post, and you'll notice it's a reel, another reel, another reel, another reel, another reel, and it's the question post. These type of posts that with the simple text, these are great for engagement, but reels have a lot of organic reach on Facebook. So if you're not posting reels, drop everything on Facebook and stop and start creating reels, start creating strategy for your reels. That's number 1. Number 2, it's similar, it's around reels. Actually, all things I'm going to share with you today in this video to grow your Facebook page, they all have to do with Facebook reels. So tactic number 2, if I go here, here's a pop quiz for you. Watch this closely. So if you notice right here, so 200 views, 368, 1.9, 1.4. This had 3.7. So a lot of views. This is like a 10 times is more kind of, or 3 times more. Not 10 times, 3 times more than other. So what's special about this reel? So I'm gonna click here and watch on the top. So it's this page, Text Social, and also this iSocialU. So here you go, you can see this here too. So it's a collaboration between 2 pages. So when you upload Facebook reel, you can add other pages as partners or as collaborators. This is a way to tap into their audience. So if I click on this page, you'll notice that page is actually much bigger. So let's let this upload. Let me actually go to not the Reels tab. I want to go to the main Facebook page, iSocialU. You'll notice this page is 190,000 followers. This page right here, it's a smaller page. It's like 2,000 followers for now. It's growing, but it's fairly small right now. So creating Facebook Reels and number 1, and then number 2, strategy number 2 is, look at this. This page is fairly small. And by the way, I'm using the same strategy. I'm also going to show you on my personal profile. And by the way, if you convert your personal profile into professional mode, it kind of becomes a page. So this used to be a personal profile, but now it's kind of page 2. On this too, we're using this strategy. Look at this. It's a collaboration between 2 pages. Here is another post. This one is not a collaboration. Here is, let's find another one. Here is, it's another collaboration. So your tactic number 2 to grow organically on Facebook is do collaboration with other Facebook pages, especially the pages that are in your niche, because then you can tap into their audience. So now let's jump to tactic number 3. And this is also really interesting. Not many people do this. When you post a Facebook reel, use the share button right here. Click on share and then share this into relevant groups. So find groups that are, if they're public, that's great. If they're private, then make sure you talk to the owner, talk to the admin of the group, get on the same page, maybe get permission. But in most cases, they will be totally fine, because you're sharing content that's value add to their audience, right? So find 5 or 10 groups in your niche, and then you can share your reels. And what I would do is, don't share every single reel into it, right? So if you make, let's say, 10 reels a week, maybe share 1 or 2 into the group. So don't just share, because you don't want to be a spammer in the group. You don't want to share every single reel every single day, because then people in the group might think of you as a spammer. But pick and choose. Pick the reels that are value add to the group, but that way you can tap into the audience of that group. And that's another way you can use to create something like this, have insane organic reach on your Facebook page. So there are three tactics we considered or talked about. Number 1, post more reels. Number 2, do collaboration with other pages on your reels. And number 3, share your reels with other people. Any questions, let me know. And before you go, like and share this video. And now let's watch this next video about Instagram Reels together. Bye for now.